when we use a vector, okay, it's always going to be, so we're going to say, this is what a vector looks like. Okay, that's the symbol for vector. Anytime we write a vector, okay, it's going to be like this. It's going to be labeled A and B, okay? So very similar to what X and Y are, okay? A is how much it's going side to side, all right? And I'll write this down. A equals side to side. And B equals up and down. Okay? So just know the difference, okay? These aren't parentheses right here. Okay? Those are, okay, a vector unit. All right? So whenever we see these symbols, we know we're using a vector. It's going to be a vector. All right? And so always, so look at this. Right here, guys, is what we call our initial point. That's our initial point. This is where it starts. Okay? So what's that called, Morgan? What's it called?
Wait, the initial point?
Initial point, our original position. And then after that, we're going to use a vector. So whatever this is, A, B, we're going to take each point, okay, and we're going to move it A and B. A and B. A and B to each one. And then once we do that with our vector, we're now going to have 3 points. And those 3 points are going to be known as what? These 3 points.
Terminal points?
Our terminal points. Good. Okay? So blue, meaning our initial point, it's where we started. Okay? Then we get these red points, which are now our terminal points. And how we got there was our vector, which is parallel to this. So each one is the same exact direction and magnitude. Okay? So our vector is what?
Same direction, same magnitude.
Same direction, same magnitude. Initial point means what?
Starting point.
Our starting point. And then our terminal point. Aaliyah, what's our terminal point mean?
The terminal point is the end.
The ending point, our finished point. Good. All right. And then we know the difference when we label a vector. Okay, this is how it's going to be. A meaning what?
Side to side.
Side to side or horizontal. And then B is vertical. Okay. Very good. Very good. We good there? Any questions? Oh, killing it. Killing the game. Oh, there we go. Back to. Okay. So draw the image of triangle ABC after a translation along B. Okay. So first things first. What's our vector going to be? So remember, we got to know our A, and then we got to know our B. Okay, so we have what we call our, what's this point called?
Initial point.
Initial point. Good. And then we have our
Terminal point.
terminal point. Good. So what's my A going to be? So when I write my vector, it's like this. What's my A? 1, 2, 3, 4. First point is 4, comma, and then my B is going to be what? 2.
2.
Boom. All right. So now we have my vector. That's what it looks like. Okay. So